Hello everyone, my name is Mallory Newcomer and I am looking forward to working with all of you this semester. In this presentation, I'll tell you some things about myself as a teacher and also what I like to do outside of work. I have been teaching for 6 years. I am in my 4th year of teaching at North County High School and Anne Arundel County Public Schools. There, I teach AP Spanish Language and Culture, Spanish 2 and Spanish 3. I also taught at a private school in Puebla, Mexico, called Colegio Americano de Puebla, for 2 years. There I taught 4th grade curriculum in English language. I also taught what was called a special Spanish class, which was to teach non-Spanish speakers Spanish. It was a program similar to our ESOL program in the United States for students that had moved to Mexico from other countries. It was a great experience that allowed me to really understand the language and culture. When it comes to using technology in the classroom, I feel much more comfortable than before I began this program at UMUC. I am familiar with the programs that can be used in my classroom, however, I still don't feel entirely at ease with it. This is partly because I have moderate access to technology at my school. While there is technology readily available, there is a limited amount for a large student population. Oftentimes, I need to have it booked weeks in advance, which can be difficult to do. Because of this, although I try to incorporate technology as much as possible, it often happens about once a marking period. However, I would like to use it more. As for some facts about myself outside of my professional life, I am based in Annapolis and have lived here for almost 2 years. I love to spend time outside, running and hiking with my Doberman Pinscher Comet. I also like to draw and paint, and just recently began selling prints of my art on Etsy and in local art fairs. It's exciting to be able to share something that I really love to do with others. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. It's great to see some familiar faces from past semesters, and I look forward to working with all of you.